안녕하세요. 저는 찐을입니다. 그리고 저는 I'm gonna do an unboxing video of These Memories, the first story, and I hope you guys like it. 그럼 시작할까요? I'm so nervous. Who am I gonna pull? I'm not really expecting anyone since I already have them all. I actually bought Bongyu PC online, so I already have a 95 pulls, so anyone's fine. Let's open it. Oh, this was so sealed. You know what, Moa? It's so heavy. Like, I didn't expect this to be this big and heavy. I haven't watched any unboxing video yet, so I don't know how this looks like yet. But yeah, it's so big and heavy. So this is the pre-order benefit from Weavers. Let's open it. Oh my god, it's so cute. The paper quality is so nice, and the print quality too. So yeah, this is how the back fits looks like. And this one, I don't know what this is, but it's like is it like a film strip? Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, it's transparent. It says Dixie, Subin, Yeonjun, Bongyu, Taeyun, and Unikai. It's transparent. This is also a pre-order benefit from Weavers. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Who do you think it is? So, it's really so big and heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy. It says 60. So it says 60 Memories, the first story. 2018 to 2020, Moments of Alwaysness. 1 Star Magic and Eternity, Subin Yeonjun, Bongyu, Taeyun, Unikai. Tomorrow by Together. Oh, and at the side of it, it's the same. It says Volume 1. So I think we'll be having a Volume 2 soon. Maybe next year. Well, I heard Minnesota wasn't here, so maybe at the next volume, I guess. So this is the back fit. It's really so heavy. Oh, it's a magnet. It's magnetic. Oh, it's so cute. But the magnet is so weak. I guess it's a weak magnet. Oh my god, the paper looks so nice. The quality is so nice and thick, you know. 60 Memories, first story, with Moments of Alwaysness. Oh, this is so cute. It's 60's picture with their dogs. So this is the table of content for the first one, the Dream Chapter Star. I'll show it to you. Oh my god, they all look so good and cute. The quality of the paper is really so good. I'm telling you, it's so thick. Yeah, it's better than the SG and the Minnesota one. It's really so thick. This must be why it's so heavy. from the Crown Envy. It actually wasn't the Crown Envy, it was the Crown... Where was it? When they first showcased... I forgot where it is, but it's from that. It looks so good and cute. Oh my god. So cute. I love all their concepts from the beginning. So I really can't believe I just noticed them at like Eternity era. All of their concepts are so unique. So good. Oh, so we are at the Magic era. So for the Dream Chapter Magic, here it is. The Dream Chapter Magic Jacket Shooting, 9 3/4 Runaway Envy Shooting, the Dream Chapter Magic Media Showcase, Magic Island Envy Shooting, and Angel or Devil Envy Shooting. Oh, well, you know, Bongo really looks tiny when it's with TXT because TXT are giants, but here you'll definitely realize that he's not so tiny. So good. So we are done with the Magic era. We are now at the Promotions and Awards of TXT. So this has the Showcase Star in US, the VCR Shooting, Showcase Star in US Promotion, New York Gay Con, Sorry About the Best Gay Music Awards, Kansai and Tokyo Collections, the V-Live Awards V Heartbeat, MMA VCR Shooting, Awards Behinds and MMA Awards, SBS Gaia Legend, Mama Awards, Golden Disc Awards, Japan Debut Promotion, and Soul Music Awards, rather. Sorry, I'm such a mess. This is so cute. How I wish I could turn the time back, because I really didn't know them back then. I just knew them since the Eternity era. Yeah, because I was just a K-drama fan that time. I wasn't really into K-pop back then. And TXT is the first group that I stan in K-pop. I used to be a fan of Bounce in the US and UK, but not K-pop. I'm really not into K-pop back then. Yeah, I just became a fan now, last year. So this is so cute. They look really so elegant here. So we're now at the Dream Chapter Eternity. They really pull off any concept, don't they? Oh, TXT is just so perfect. So this one has the Dream Chapter Eternity Jacket Shooting, Puma MV Shooting, Can't You See Me MV Shooting, Eternally MV Shooting, and the Dream Chapter Eternity Media Showcase. I really love how this table of content looks so cute, and it also have different colors for every era. So cute. For the Puma. Oh, I suddenly remembered the half skirt Subin. I was so surprised when he came out wearing the half skirt. I didn't really expect he'll be wearing it. When I heard that there's a blonde Subin in here, I'm so surprised when I saw that. Like, yeah, I don't think I saw any picture of Subin blonde back then. So maybe it was when he bleached his hair. I don't know. I'm not sure where it was from, but they said that it was from the TXT memories, at the Eternity era. So now we're at the Mo Academy in March. So it has the completion ceremony, Dreams Understanding, Mo Academy intro, Happy Fun Field Day, and Mo card. Oh my god, I never realized it, but is this like some hint of the House Fairy? The TXT season's greeting last year. This year, rather. I forgot it's still 2021. The paper quality is really so good. Oh, now we're at the 2020 TXT Fun Life Dream by Together. It's the 2020 TXT Fun Life Dream by Together poster and merch and VCR, rehearsal, and the D-Day. Oh, this is what they're talking about, the blonde Subin. Are we getting a blonde Yuka next year? I mean, for the next volume of the TXT memories, since he dyed his hair last month. Is it last month or last month? So are we finally getting a blonde Yuka for the next TXT memories? Well, let's all manifest for the TXT Yuka. Blonde Yuka. Oh, it's the end already. I still don't want it to end. So here are their messages. Subin's Hyunjun, Bomgyu, Taeyun, and Yuninkai. For the credits, this is for the disc 1. This is the Dream Chapter Star era, and for the disc 2, it's the Dream Chapter Magic era. So this is the CD for the Dream Chapter Star. This is the first CD, and this is the second one. It's less opaque than the first one. It's like gray gem, white on the outside and blue on the inside. And for the disc 3 and 4, it's the awards in Japan debut promotion. And for the disc 4, it was the 2020 TXT Fun Life Dream by Together. Oh, it really doesn't have any Minnesota era yet, so I'm expecting it will be at the second volume. So this is the third disc. This is the fourth one. So that's it for the CDs. I wonder where the photo card is. Sam. I forgot that it. Oh, it has something here. So I'm guessing the photo card is here. What do you think it is? I'm so excited. Oh wait, is this like the bookmark? This is the bookmark they're talking about. Yeah, it's so cute. It's like, I forgot what it's called, but yeah. It says number 1, Moments of Alwaysness. Marbay Subinyan Jun Bongi Tayan and Yunkai. What do you think it is? Oh my god, I'm so excited. What do you think it is? I'm not expecting anyone, but yeah, I don't want to be fine. So this, I don't know why, but I feel so nervous today. More nervous than before. Yeah. I'm not usually this nervous, but I'm really so nervous today. I don't know why. So, what do you think it is? It's... Wow, it's Bumgyu! Look. Oh my god, I'm shaking. It's Bumgyu. I finally got a Bumgyu pool. I don't have any Bumgyu pools. Oh, I have one, but I bought it. I didn't get it as a pool from the albums I bought. Yeah, so this is the first. 60 memories. First story tomorrow by the guy with moments of alwaysness. Bumgyu! Bumgyu looks so cute. Oh my god. I didn't expect to get Bumgyu. I actually gave up on thinking that I'll probably get Bumgyu because I never got a Bumgyu pool. Oh my god. This poster is so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. It looks so good. The back of it, oh, it's just a gradient blue. Wow, it's so cute. It's not a simple poster. I really love 60s merch designs. Their art design is so amazing. How can they come up with different concepts and good design for every merch they release? Yeah, so I can't close it. So that's it for the 60 memories unboxing. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.